Online truck booking business are booming nowadays. Porter, India's largest truck booking business, does this much revenue in this year. Wheelseyes, world's largest truck booking business, does this much revenue in this year. Do you want to make your own application similar to them? But you are confused, like who will develop application for you? Who will upload your application on Play Store and Apple Store? Who will manage the application, and who will integrate your payment gateway and all other things? Then, nothing to worry. We are from Raunix and we have a complete solution for you where we will provide you the website, user application, owner application, driver application, admin panel with complete source code and 6 months of the technical support. So, do you want to start your own application similar to them? Then we have created a truck booking complete solution. Let's see how it works. So, here is our website that we have created for our client. So, this is our latest application or website for truck booking. Here, users can directly log in with their mobile number and password like this. They just need to enter their mobile number, and after that they have just need to enter their password and they will get successfully logged in. Here you can see I have successfully logged in our website, and in the website you can see the details like this. Right now we have using the website in PT language. I have changed the language to English. The application and website, all the things are supported by multi-language features. From here you can see the loads that you have already booked, the completed loads, cancelled, and from here you can see the booked lorries that you have already done. From here you can post your requirement for new load, or from here you can book a nearby lorries. Suppose you want to post a new load, suppose you want to select a pickup location like Raunix, and you can select the location like this, and I'm going to select the drop location. Suppose I want to select my nearby city, that will be Nadwai. Here give the material type like boxes. You can give number of tons of the material, and you can give any description like boxes for interior items and anything you can give. So click on next. When you click on next, then you will get a list of the vehicles that is available on the application like these. You can select any of the vehicles like that and click on next. When you click on next, it will ask you to give an amount. You can give any amount, number of hours for the delivery, contact person details. You can select like this. The drop person details you can select like this, and post load. Here you can see we have successfully posted a load on our website, and the owner or the driver can give a bidding on that, and after bidding, user and the owner can confirm the bidding and they can assign that load to the driver. Driver can complete this load. They will collect the items from the user location and they will drop the items at a doorstep at destination. If you want to start your own application similar to them, then contact us. Details are in the screen and we will see you next video.